Salut les gars, on se retrouve à MX sous Auneau. Ça fait 2 semaines qu'il fait que de flotter. Là, il y a enfin un rayon de soleil. On va aller sur un terrain qui a l'air pas mal. Allez, je vous emmène avec moi.
Pushing to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. On dirt road, all on my own. I'ma be a great
Bon, un petit lavage s'impose.
Because I know my people needed me. Diamond in the rough, I don't know what it is they see in me. Go down as a legend in my city, cause we beat the streets. Trying to spread the wealth around the block, no, I can't keep from me. Told me I should leave. I see the bigger picture and it's way bigger than me. Can't be living like a king, but my people need to eat. If I got it, then you got it, we gon' get back on our feet. And I put it on me. I don't wanna live life fast or die too young. Or die too young. 100 miles per hour might crash, cause good die young. But here I come. Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, nowhere, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name